mean, there's nothing like sitting down with an attorney who speaks your language, literally speaks your language face to face, and can break things down like they would explain it to their parents, like they're explaining it to their aunts and uncles, you know? And I think that that's given me a very unique advantage in this particular field of law. My name is Rocio Martinez. In Spanish, it's Rocio Martinez, and I'm an immigration attorney. When I went to law school, I really gravitated toward the immigration law clinic, and that's what kind of got me interested in immigration law specifically. So, a little mixture of my love of history, writing, and research. The main cases that we work are family-based cases and removal-based cases. So those are our two primary areas of work. And then we do a lot of humanitarian work as well. People who've been victims of crimes, people who've been like battered in their relationships, people who need to like temporary protected status because they're coming from countries like Venezuela, like the Ukraine, like Afghanistan. We do a lot of humanitarian work as well. I haven't had to work very hard to gain their trust because I'm from the community. I look like their kids. I look like their brother or sister. And my parents themselves were immigrants too. I mean, they're citizens now. But you know, I know the process. I know the stress. I know the anxiety that comes from submitting an application to the government in a country where you were not born. You know, that puts stress on people. And everyone says, you know, I have no problem with immigrants as long as they do it the right way, as long as they follow the legal process. I don't think many people understand how difficult the legal process is. I think that the delays, the overworked employees in the Department of Homeland Security and the Department of Justice, there's so many barriers that you have to jump through, so many hoops you have to jump through. And it makes it incredibly difficult, and it de-incentivizes people to do things, quote, the right way or the legal way. I think when people think about we have an immigration problem in the country, they think, you know, they frame it in a way that's immigrants coming into the country illegally, that's a problem, let's get rid of them, versus there's an immigration problem with the actual system where it de-incentivizes people from doing things the right way, the legal way, because the system is broken and the laws haven't changed since the late 1990s, and nothing has been done to change the law. Simply just changing policies is not enough.